A jury has now sentenced Cedric Marks to death just hours ago. He is the man found guilty of capital murder for both Jenna Scott and Michael Swearingen back in 2019.
It took the jury about 2.5 hours to deliberate. 6 News reporter Sydney DeShawn was in the courtroom when his punishment was announced and joins us now live outside of the Bell County Justice Center with the very latest. Sydney?
Chris, Lindsay, Marks and prosecution both asked the jury to give him the death penalty, and the jury did just that today. Before the jury deliberated between life in prison or the death penalty for Marks, closing arguments took place. First Assistant District Attorney Stephanie Newell called Marks a good liar and says when he makes up his mind, he doesn't stop. She says Marks admitted to the jury he is a violent person, so the jury should believe him. She says after a guilty verdict, Marks blamed someone else because it's him on the line. Then Bell County District Attorney Henry Garza told the jury they are the Thunder. He said Marks needs the death penalty so he can never hurt anyone again. Garza says April Pease, Scott, and Swearingen all had their lives stolen by Marks. Garza said Marks has no limits and asked the jury how someone could do this to multiple people. Garza said, quote, "It's horrible, but that's him," end quote. Garza says Marks is creating a new story to make the jury feel guilty, and he is trying to manipulate them. After the jury sentenced Marks to death, the family spoke together directly to Marks in their victim impact statements. Now the victims' families have created a nonprofit foundation, and it's called Priceless Beginnings. Donations are now open. Coming up tonight at 6, we hear from the family as they leave the Bell County Justice Center. It was a pretty emotional day. We'll have that coming up tonight at 6. For now, live in Bell County, I'm Sydney DeShawn for 6 News.
And thank you, Sydney, for your coverage, being our eyes and ears in the courtroom for several weeks now. We know it hasn't been easy on anyone involved in this trial.
Yeah, in case you want to catch up, you can watch the full conference and reaction from family and jurors on our YouTube channel. Just search KCEN News.